19th question. Define the following terms given an example of each. First part, associated colloids. Second part, lyophilic solution. Solution. Associated colloids. Certain substances form true solution at low concentration, but as concentration become greater than the critical missile concentration, the particle get associated to form colloidal particle and colloidal solution is obtained. Example, soap. Soap is sodium or potassium salt of fatty acid. When its concentration becomes greater than CMC, particles get associated to give colloidal solution. CMC here is critical missile concentration. Second part, lyophilic solution. When particles of dispersed phase are solvated by dispersion medium, lyophilic colloidal solution is obtained. This is more stable due to presence of force of attraction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. For example, starch solution in H2O. Third part, adsorption. When particle of certain substance get associated at surface of solid, it is called adsorption. In other words, we can say adsorption at surface is called as adsorption. It's actually absorption at the surface is called as adsorption. Example, adsorption of gases by activated charcoal.